Hello and welcome to our English Easy Practice channel. In this video, we'll be sharing some fun and engaging conversations to help you improve your English skills. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, listening to and repeating these conversations will help you build your vocabulary, improve your pronunciation, and boost your confidence when speaking English. And remember, repetition is key. So be sure to watch this video multiple times and practice saying the phrases out loud. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Sarah. Are you new here?
Yes, I am. I'm John. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, John. So which grade are you in?
I'm in the 8th grade. How about you?
I'm in the same grade. That's cool. Have you met our teacher, Mrs. Davis, yet?
No, not yet. Is she nice?
Yeah, she's really nice and helpful. You'll like her. Do you have any favorite subjects?
I like math and science. How about you?
I'm more into art and music. Oh, and I love reading too. Maybe we can study together sometime.
That sounds great. Do you have any tips for surviving middle school?
Sure, be yourself, make friends, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Middle school can be tough, but we'll get through it together.
Thanks, Sarah. That's reassuring.
No problem, John. If you have any questions or need help finding your classes, just ask. We're here to help each other out.
Thanks, Sarah. You're really friendly.
You're welcome, John. That's what friends are for.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to receive more like it in the future.
Hey, Mark. I was thinking about school today. Do you have a favorite subject?
Yeah, I really like history. It's so interesting to learn about the past and how things have changed over time.
History, huh? That's cool. I prefer English. I love reading and writing stories.
Oh, that's nice. What do you like most about English?
Well, I enjoy expressing myself through writing. It's like painting with words, you know? Plus, reading books takes me to different worlds.
I get that. History lets me travel through time, sort of. But the best part is learning from the past mistakes and successes.
True, history teaches important lessons. What's your favorite historical period?
I really like studying ancient civilizations, like the Egyptians and the Greeks. Their inventions and stories are fascinating.
Sounds interesting. And what about you? Do you have a favorite book you've read in English class?
I love To Kill a Mockingbird. It's such a powerful story about justice and empathy. What about you? Any favorite books?
The Harry Potter series, for sure. It's a magical adventure filled with friendship and bravery.
Those books are great. So we both love our subjects for different reasons, but they both help us explore new worlds, right?
Absolutely. And they make school exciting.
Hello! Are you enjoying the story? Please give us a like. Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Johnson. I noticed we have some new students in our class. Can you tell us about the classroom rules and what you expect from us?
Of course, Emily. Welcome, everyone. First, let's talk about our classroom rules. Rule number 1 is to be respectful. That means being polite to your classmates and me. No interrupting when someone is speaking.
Got it. What's rule number 2?
Rule number 2 is to be on time. Punctuality is important. Make sure you're in your seat when the bell rings.
Okay. Rule number 3.
Rule number 3 is about homework. Always complete your assignments on time. It's important for your learning.
Rule number 4?
Rule number 4 is about electronic devices. Please keep your phones and gadgets in your backpacks during class. We don't want distractions.
And the last rule?
Rule number 5 is to participate actively. Don't be afraid to ask questions and share your thoughts. Learning is a group effort.
Thanks, Mr. Johnson. It's clear now. We'll follow these rules.
Great, Emily. Remember, these rules help create a positive learning environment for all of us. Let's have a fantastic year together. Hi, Sarah. How was your day at school today?
Hi, John. It was pretty good, but I had a chat with Mr. Smith, my history teacher.
Oh, really? What did you guys talk about?
Well, he asked me about my project on World War II. I was a bit nervous, but he was really nice.
That sounds cool. What did he say about your project?
He said I did a good job on research, but I need to work on my presentation skills.
Did he give you any tips to improve?
Yeah, he suggested using more visuals, like pictures and maps, to make it interesting. Also, he advised me to practice speaking in front of a mirror.
Great advice. I think I should try that too. I have a presentation next week in biology class.
Definitely, John. It can be nerve-wracking, but practice makes perfect.
By the way, did Mr. Smith mention anything else?
Yeah, he said he's always available for extra help if I need it. He's a really supportive teacher.
That's awesome. It's nice to have teachers who care about our progress.
Absolutely, John. It makes me feel more confident about my studies.
Listen to the lessons repeatedly to think in English and automatic speaking. Repetition is very, very important to become fluent. You need to speak English fluently without translating in your head. The words should come out of your mouth automatically. So, this is where the repetition comes in. If you repeat the same vocabulary and sentences many times, you will become a master of this vocabulary and grammar. So, you will be able to use that words automatically, without thinking about grammar rules and without translating vocabulary in your head. In order to think in English, you must repeat vocabulary and sentences as much as you can. After lots of repetition, eventually you will start to think English in your head and improve your speaking skills. As I mentioned before, we use the question and answer method repeatedly in our short story lessons. So you will listen to the vocabulary and sentences many times in the same lesson.